This is the story of something that should have been dead forever, buried beneath mountains of ice for decades. Nobody believed it could ever live again. But we refused to give up. Thousands of feet above the ground, deep inside a frozen glacier, something was waiting to be found. A yellow monster truck, its color stolen by time, its burgundy leather seats rotted into nothing, its wooden wheels shattered by decades of freezing cold. This wasn't just a vehicle. This was a dream that had been swallowed by the mountain. When our team first laid eyes on it, nobody spoke. Rust had consumed every inch of its body. The brass headlamps, that once cut through the darkest nights, were now nothing but hollow shells of corrosion. But somewhere in that silence, one thought echoed through every single mind: we can bring this back. Then began the battle, man against nature.
The frame is
thick steel
bent.
cables, massive
beyond
iron
repair.
chains, the roar of a helicopter above frozen peaks. Everything was thrown at one single mission. And when that monster truck finally broke free
Got the impact
from
zone
the grip of the
next to the
glacier
side panel.
and swayed
Noting
in
the
the
rust
open
progression
mountain air
here.
for the
Deformation
first
is
time in
2.3
decades,
centimeters.
that moment of silence cannot be described in words. Inside the workshop, the true scale of the damage became clear. Every nut, every bolt, every panel, each one carrying the weight of years of destruction. But our master craftsmen picked up every single piece. The engine was given life again. The wooden wheels found their soul once more. And when the welder's sparks flew through the air, it wasn't just metal being joined together.
Easy
was a
now,
broken
guide
dream
it straight
being
in.
put back
Got it.
piece
Looks
by
aligned.
piece.
Perfect. That's
And
seated.
then came that
Good
moment,
work.
the moment yellow returned
Laser
to the
shows
world.
12.5 cm warp
When
on
the
the main
first
beam.
coat of paint hit the
Calic
body
confirmed
inside that
3.2
booth,
mil gap
it felt
at
like
seam.
the sun had been born all over again. The new burgundy red leather, hand stitched with care. When it was fitted into those seats, eyes filled with tears. The brass fittings shone so bright, mirrors would be ashamed. This was no longer just a vehicle. This was a masterpiece. Today, this yellow monster truck, that was once buried and forgotten beneath a mountain glacier, stands gleaming under museum lights. Everyone who sees it stops, because this is not just a restoration. This is proof of what human determination looks like. It tells the world that the things which appear completely broken can be made whole again, if the will is strong enough and the hands are willing to work. This is the monster truck story.